Hi friends, welcome to Airdrop Spot and welcome to Atleta Network Incentivized Testnet. Atleta Network is a layer 1 EVM compatible blockchain that is made for the sports industry. The incentivized testnet is currently on and it is going to last for about 2 months. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to interact with all features of this testnet and position for a possible reward. So you are going to paste the link to the testnet website in your browser, and here we are. You are going to connect your wallet. Since it is EVM compatible, I'm going to be choosing MetaMask. After connecting your wallet, you would be redirected to sign. So tap on sign. Next up, you have to select your network. I'll be choosing Atleta Olympia. You are going to approve adding Atleta Olympia network to your MetaMask. You are going to switch your network. So here we are. For you to be able to access the testnet, you are going to go through 4 steps. The first one is us adding our wallet, which we have done. Second is to connect your Twitter. So tap on Connect X. Tap on Authorize App. The third step is to connect your Discord. So tap on Connect Discord. Tap on Authorize. And then the last step is to enter an invite code. You need it for you to be able to access the testnet. So tap on Enter Code and you can see the code on the screen. That is the invite code that you should use, 11A capital DIV. You will see the invite code in the comment section. For your convenience, please forgive me if I am not very audible in this video. I'm actually making the voiceover in the middle of the night, so I have to lower my voice so as not to disturb people around me. The moment you log into Atleta and you finish registering for testnet, you are going to get 100 XP. Okay, now to get to the task page, we are going to tap on announcement. And we are going to start off everything by claiming test tokens from Faucet. Once every 24 hours, you can claim 25 Atleta token. But for a one time, you can claim 250 Atleta token. That is times 10 of what you would have normally claimed if you enter your email address. So I'm going to start off by claiming my 25 Atleta. I'll just tap on Send Me Atleta. You need to make sure that your wallet is connected to the page. So that is claimed successfully. Then I am going to now enter my email address. I will tap on that box above Send Me Atleta. I will enter my email address. And once I enter my email address, OTP code will be sent to my email, the one that I entered. And I'll have to enter the OTP code right here as I am doing now. Now once you enter the OTP code, allow the page to load, and if you check it again, you see that instead of 25 Atleta, I now have 250 Atleta that I can claim this time. So I'll tap on Send Me Atleta, and that has been claimed as well. So I'll go back to the announcement page. Your first task is to send a transaction, but we are going to be skipping that. We'll do that in the next part of this video because it is actually about 30 minutes long, so I had to cut it into 2 parts. We'll move on to the next task, which is to stake Atleta. I'll tap on Stake Now. At the top, we have the duration that you want to stake for, and at the bottom, you are going to enter the amount of Atleta tokens that you want to stake. Then tap on Stake Now. Tap on Confirm, but first check the tiny checkbox at the top of the Confirm button, and then you are going to confirm the transaction in your wallet. Stake successful. Now we are going back to the announcement page. The next one is to add to your stake. So we are going to repeat the same process. We'll tap on the task, tap on stake now. And we are going to enter the amount of Atleta tokens that we want to stake this time. Then we are going to tap on stake now, tap on confirm and check the box. Then you are going to confirm this transaction in your wallet. To see the rest of the task under staking, I'm going to tap on view all. Now the next task is to unstake Atleta. I'm going to tap on it. I'll tap on unbound. And I'm going to indicate the amount of Atleta tokens that I want to unstake. Then I'll tap on continue. I'll tap on confirm. Then I'll confirm this interaction in my wallet. When you unbound your tokens, after 24 hours, the funds will be available to withdraw back into your wallet, but since this is testnet, you don't have to worry about it. Next up, we are going to claim staking rewards, so we'll tap on claim all. However, something is wrong with this particular task, and that is the fact that when you tap on claim all, it is suddenly going to turn into unbound. As you know, unbound means you want to unstake, and that is not what we are here to do. So I couldn't complete this task even when I came back like 24 hours later. It was still the same. The next one is to stake Atleta again, and we've already done that 2 times. Okay, so you know how to do that now. I'm going to skip. The next task is to vote in support of a proposal. So I'll tap on vote, and I'm going to tap on view all to see a long list of the available proposals I can interact with. Here I want to look for the one that is voting. I'll tap on the first one I see, and I'm going to tap on cast your vote. And here I am going to tap on for, which means I support the proposal. Then I'll tap on confirm. There is no on-chain confirmation to be done here, so I'll go back to the announcement page. And the next task is to vote against a proposal. So I'll follow the same pattern. I'll tap on view all. I'll look for a proposal that is a voting proposal. Then I'm going to tap on cast your vote. And this time I'm going to be choosing against. I'll tap on confirm. Done. I'm going to return to the announcement page. And the last task under governance is to submit a proposal. I'll tap on submit. And at the top left, I'm going to tap on create proposal. Now there are 3 different types of proposals that you can create. Referendum is not available at the time of recording this video, so I'm going to start with discussion post. That is the 3rd one, and here I'm going to enter the title of my proposal and the description. Note that it doesn't have to be anything serious as we are on testnet, so you can simply just write any title and any description. And once you have done that, you can choose any of these topics as the niche that your proposal belongs to or something like that. Then you are going to tap on create post. If there is nothing to edit, you tap on submit. And once people start to vote for your proposal, you'll see the voting result here. You'll see the number of people who voted for your proposal and against your proposal. Let's go back. I am going to tap on create proposal once again, and this time I'll be choosing treasury proposal. I'll tap on next. Have you initiated a discussion post to your proposal already? It should be yes, but I'll be choosing no, and that is because I don't know how to share the link to the proposal I did earlier, so I'll be creating another one afresh. Okay, so I'll enter my title, I'll enter my description, and once I'm done with that, I am going to choose from any of the available topics. Once I've done that, I'll tap on next. Now, how treasury proposal works is as if you are trying to create a proposal on behalf of another wallet address. If you check on my screen, there are 2 wallet addresses involved now. Yours is the proposer, and there is another one that you are proposing on behalf of. So you are going to enter an amount of Atleta token. I'll be entering 5, and I pasted another wallet address. As you can see, the 2 addresses are different. Proposer address and the address you are proposing to. And then I'm going to tap on submit. Then I'll confirm this interaction in my wallet. So I have created two types of proposal: discussion proposal and also treasury proposal. At the time I was making this video, referendum proposal was not available. Now there's another way to interact with proposal, although there is no XP reward for that one now. Okay, and that is to pick proposal proposed by anybody else, not your own. And then you are going to tap on comments, then you are going to tap on create message, and you are going to reply to that proposal. Remember that the ones we interacted with earlier, we voted for and against, but for discussion proposal you need to make a comment. So I will just write a random comment, then I'll tap on publish, and then you can see my comment under this person's proposal. I am back on the announcement page, and lastly we are going to be moving over to bridge task. There are two tasks. One is to bridge from Atleta Olympia to Sepolia, and the other one is to bridge from Sepolia to Atleta Olympia. So I'm going to be starting with bridging from Atleta to Sepolia since I have funds on Atleta. And you can see my chains here. Atleta Olympia is the sender, Sepolia is the receiver. I entered the amount of Atleta to bridge, and I am proceeding with the transaction. I'll tap on confirm. Tap on confirm again. Currently it is showing my transaction as complete, but if I switch my sender chain to Sepolia and I make Atleta Olympia the receiver chain, you can see that there is nothing in my Sepolia balance to bridge back to Atleta Olympia. And one thing I have observed in the course of interacting with Atleta is that transactions take too long to complete. I came back to this site one day after I bridged from Atleta Olympia to Sepolia, and there was still no funds on Sepolia for me to bridge back to Atleta Olympia. So I'll go back to the announcement page. Every task that you complete on this page comes with XP as reward, and the number of XP, as you can see, it varies depending on the task that you have completed. If you have completed task but your XP is still remaining the same, don't fret about it. The next time, like the next day when you come to the website, you will see that some of your tasks would have been verified by then. Since this is a point-based testnet, then you want to try as much as possible to repeat this interaction as often as you can. It could be a couple of days every week, and even if you have the time to do it daily, then it is fine. Like I said at the beginning of this video is very long, so I have to make it into two parts. This is part 1. If this is your first time on this channel, then make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss out on the part 2 when I drop it tomorrow. If you have found value, then do like this video and also comment if you have any question. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next update tomorrow.